Mama wakwaba midin ede adwoa searching you. Mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Near notification bell no so for more news. Felix appear political zone na okase na ochrese bole mamboyfo aye omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama eye ekura ofiri so and omo ekase no mo se omo kenya ne se so omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama wenya 1.2 million akwacha ma delegates no mu school dan kro mu ko school omu nya bebe ntina hospital crying ye enough na se wan ko boa omu na NDC fumu abo MPP aban na chi Bolefuo HSL omu jidi so omu ina ye Ghana fo enti say his excellency na dan kwaku fado abaye president na se wa beye bi na ne ho nso a anka wo omanpenda da na so baye president den na se nka wo ye wo sika kakra se wo de boa wen but what did that be a sign of selfish interest our person by a president in tino watch sika se na be ya obewini about your mutu ukran ka sika che bi enim because ora kobnado for kra munye ni fi I want to be ntika we sika che mpo nim nti Bolefuo chere se ti wanya 1.2 million akoche de a na 2024 de be osua and of me ka sente ni tin sema Felix e de etuja
there is no money Akufo-Addo has mismanaged everything. Say the only cry man. Say Mahaman to me. Mahaman fear ni na aduane ni ho. But one day, or to me cha $1.2 million. Yes, see this. Now we end this ni now bole bambo. Yeah, this is the time you have to start thinking. Jaisa tribal foolery na ya moye. Oh, when you feel me region into Jai Jimmy no origin na ombo number ye mfani mboa ban
enti abusuafo ensem we na Felix appear political zone e de atudwa
there is no money Akufo-Addo has mismanaged everything say the only cry him no say Mahaman to me bi Mahaman fear ni na aduane ni ho but one day or to me cha $1.2 million yes see this. Now we end this ni now bole bambo. Yeah, this is the time you have to start thinking. Jaisa tribal foolery na ya moye no. Oh, where do you feel me region inti. Jai Jimmy no origin na ombo number ye mfani mboa ban. Kodo Mahama kurom ne kohwe ho. Oh, nya ku bole bambo for kohwe. I have been there so I know the situation in Bole. I have been there, so I know the situation in Bole. And koda enya proper school infrastructure enkom. You know how many classroom blocks $1.2 million can build? Ghana for you guys have to be careful. Politics now moya no. Media me asantini MPP. Media me ya igbeni me ya not na end. Mama ya njai say Jimmy na Ghana will never develop. Ube brochire ha. Wuko other countries are. Wuko other countries are. It is the rich people that are helping the government to build. Ube wana no abeye private say. No abeye say. Mahama sat in Ghana with his NDC clueless government telling everybody there is no money in Ghana. There are people in Bole who need health care. People in Bole who need good water. People in Bole who need good school infrastructures. Mahama has 1.2 million. He will not invest it in education. And it's not the first time he has said that. When we rolled out free education, no over 2 billion one find free education. Mahama nekaye. And nunti onya $1.2 million no. Osi obe chama delegate monko twa ba mamekeke. Oda su disa party na ki say ufri bole. Ufri bole bamboy, ufri honti no. Oda su to say that's your party. Jina one Jimmy. Tina one Jimmy. All the other ones are going to wise up and move. Now what ho? What you hear ni mo? Now what da su to hear ni mo? Sika ni Ghana. Ghana is this. Sika outside. Yeni osakwa me bego. Sika say na what to me akoche. What me say me krom. Chale. No. Do you know what $1.2 million this time and then me musika can do for even a whole region. Na obi di akoche. Utie. Obi di akoche. Na onipa na sen adane no ho abase. MPP for so chebo. Omo che mo ne ayigari. On Jimmy no. Wankasa for adwene toto ho. The American for adwene toto ho. For adwene mame. Let us think. Obi akoche $1.2 million 1 day pay. Ya chine na ya ka ho asem no. Ya fa bibi nkofem na ya soma ya min odwanfunu Jimmy. Oko Jimmy wokumawu. No ma se say nkrofo MPP for ntade. Yes jigere. MPP for na echegere. MPP for echegere said dey. Ye che edey. Emo. Just to kill your story. Oh boy. The whole world must know that a former president who is retired, because as we stand, you don't work. Mahama, as we stand, apart from the money we give you for your salary as a former president, you don't work. But you are able. Uko UK po. Uko UK. One kasa private trip. This country had to pay over $300,000 just to have you go there. You said $1.2 million in a day. Yeah, chill into Obedanel, and MPP people are sharing Gary. MPP people like that. There's now MPP for your young crass of Wasa. Uti. MPP for young chess and crass and Yamano, young chess lender. Oh, but I gas and can one as a scam and the best fail and count. Uti. MPP for yes, womusa. Ebinimo ekuro we binimu yam TBB on peso mu didie yenim MPP for ni bitisa, but majority of MPP is about development. It's about development. Na won feria dia. Kura we ko twa so duma dada o mo se obeye hospital amomo. Hospital na wa anya wie. Mafia say, "Hey, Kwesi Saturday you killed everywhere. Great job with the band." Me that's Mafia. Sabe wo jina ono wo sabe mahama no when we o amomo now so what the beji vote to say when we kumawu hospital aferi hospital because those times no so obekaya I remember this NDC communicator called Kwame Ameto Kwame Satan no Ameto Kwame Fred Agbonyo Sam George there's another one. No me de enim PSA no ba. Enim PSA me away same game for selection. But me can the call omo kasa pa no omo kasa sebe. Omo nsem ni bi to me to asum e wo NDC a. Kwame Ameto no those time propaganda ye be ye heavy. E ba se